Today, we'd like to talk about the all-new 2018 Toyota Camry. Redesigned inside and out and featuring innovative technologies to go along with a powerful engine lineup, Camry has undergone a total transformation from a proven sedan to one that pushes the limits. Come with us as we take a closer look. The redesigned exterior is enhanced by a sleek, flowing shape with unique catamaran-inspired accents and a black sport mesh grille. Available 18-inch alloy wheels and LED combination taillights complete the powerful look. The interior meticulously blends colors and materials, with redesigned seats distinctly shaped with available leather trim and contrast stitching. Thanks to the perfectly placed steering wheel controls, everything you could want is right at your fingertips. And never miss a connection with available Wi-Fi Connect powered by Verizon. This Toyota First system is able to support up to 5 devices. The available panoramic glass roof with front-powered tilt and slide moonroof invites in more than twice the light of a traditional moonroof. The 60/40 split fold-down rear seats can be easily reconfigured whenever you need to extend trunk space. Camry offers 3 incredible engine choices, including the all-new 2.5-liter dynamic force 4-cylinder that delivers a sophisticated blend of performance and efficiency. And when combined with a proven electric motor, Camry Hybrid reaches up to an EPA estimated 53 miles per gallon. Camry protects all occupants with 10 standard airbags, along with Toyota Safety Sense, a package of active safety technologies. The available blind spot monitor can detect vehicles in the next lane, and the available integrated backup camera gives you a better view when in reverse. The all-new 2018 Camry is a joyride for the senses. With 10 models and an array of options to choose from, you'll have the ability to make it your own. So come down and see us and check out the all-new 2018 Toyota Camry.